Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on professional mode on Facebook. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. First, go to the App Store and search for Facebook. Make sure the app is updated to the latest version so you don't face any problems. Once the update is complete, open the Facebook app. Now, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen to go to your profile. After that, tap on the three dots in the top right corner. From here, scroll down and tap on Turn on Professional Mode. Next, tap on Professional Mode again to continue. Facebook will show you a few settings and features related to professional mode. Go through these settings carefully and adjust them according to your preference. Once you're done, simply go back, and your account will be successfully switched to professional mode. That's it for this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Facebook tips and tutorials. Until next time, see you soon.